and welcome to Not Too Late Natural Hair. I'm Lisa. In this video, I am going to trim my hair. Just trim, not cut. And just trim. So I'm going to put on my little cotton t-shirt around my neck, comb out my hair. I'm going to wide tooth comb first. And then I'm going to use this comb just to comb it out. And in this tutorial of how I trim my hair, remember that you have to know your own hair. So the reason why I'm trimming it is because I feel like tiny little fur balls or knots at the end. I don't know why that's happening. It happens occasionally. And I am just going to section off my hair. Now, for some people as curly girls, it's recommended that you cut your curls when it's dry. Like I said, know your hair. Sometimes when it's wet, it may throw you off or whatever, but I'll show you what I'm doing. I like to cut my hair when it's wet, because that's when I can actually see the actual length of my hair and no shrinkage, no products. So this is on a freshly washed conditioned hair, and I just comb it out. I just took a section. I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna twist it. And I'm just going to cut the very, very end, like a little tiny tip, and I'm going to twist this one also and show you the edges. Tiny, tiny. And that way, by me twisting it, this is normally how I don't do it this way by twisting it, but by doing it this way, I can tell what sections I have already done. So you see this little part right here? Voila! And I'm going to do that throughout my hair. So this is how I trim my hair. And with curly hair, it'll curl back up on you. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair, and this is a quick video just to show you how I'm going to trim my hair. And I'm going to do that throughout my hair. Well, remember, it's not too late to know your hair and listen to your hair and do what's required for your hair. Until next time, my lovelies. See you next time. Peace. Bye.